Okay. And finally, there's more, but we just need the third concept to have us going on our next instructional videos dealing with triangles and circles that are inscribed or circumscribed. The third concept that you need to have a basic foundation of understanding of is a thing called concurrency or median. So let's draw a triangle again. Okay, now this time, not an angle bisector, not a perpendicular bisector, but instead this time it's going to be median. Median. So to determine the median of a line segment, we just do half of what we did with the perpendicular bisector, which is just take a pivot point as a vertex and draw a small little arc. And let's do it this way also. Oh, well, you know what? This might not be long enough. Oh, gosh. Okay, a little bigger. There. And let's erase this guy. I think this is the first time I'm erasing on an instructional video here in Quick Start Math Shop. I don't think I've ever erased anything before. Oh, well, for the first time. Here we go. Here's a pivot point using vertex. And I'm going to draw an arc. Boom. I'm going to come over here and draw an arc. Okay, here's intersection. There's the intersection. And draw an arc over here too. Oh, look at that. I got some cool little patterns going on here. Okay. So, this time instead of drawing a line that is perpendicular, all I really need is just right there. That's the midpoint between this line segment. And this, there we go. This is the midpoint of that side of a line segment. Uh-oh, I'm a little screwed up here. Since I didn't draw a complete arc on that side, I don't know where to go. So let's see. Oh yeah, I got lucky. I found the original pivot point. So now I line it up to the 2 points or the, there we go. That's close enough, isn't it? There we go. There we go. So that is the midpoint of the line segment that makes up that side of the triangle. And what I do is I'm going to take that midpoint and I'm going to draw a line to the opposite side vertex. Boom. That's not the height or the altitude, that's the median. Definition from median is the line from the vertex to the midpoint of an opposite line segment. Median. Okay? That's called a median. Just like a median on the street where there's a little patch of grass where people are not supposed to be standing. Yeah? But it separates the opposing traffics. There we go. There's another median. And finally, there's a third median. And what happens is there's again an intersection. There's an intersection. And this is called concurrency of medians. Surprise! Of a triangle. Okay? And this is now called centroid. Centroid, like an android, but it's centroid. All right, now here is what you need to keep mind of, which is going to be very, very crucial for the next upcoming concepts, talking about circumscribe and inscribe of a circle and triangle, is that the distance from the midpoint to the centroid is 1/3 of the entire distance from the midpoint to the vertex. So I guess that means the remaining portion here is then 2/3. Same is true. They're all different, but this is always 1/3 and 2/3. This is 1/3 and may not look like it, but it's 2/3 on this side. The vertex side is the 2/3. The one to the median, the midpoint, is the 1/3. Okay? 1/3, 2/3. And that's all you need to know. So let's go on to our next instructional videos, okay? Good luck with those. Come back here every time you get confused. All right.